Hi, so now I'm going to show you how to test your product on a supermarket shelf without even leaving your office. Users respond differently to a product when it's displayed by itself than when it's displayed on a shelf among other products. As you can see in this video, and let's look at it again, you will get these beautiful visualizations for your product shelf, which really looks like a shelf in the supermarket. Okay, and let me show you how easy it is to create a project. So let's name it shelf one, and we are now at cooltool.com site, and I'm logged in already. So I just need to press create new project button and press create. That's it. So we have these steps we need to take before we get the data collected from our respondents. So there are like 7 different steps. First one, create a questionnaire. You've got a whole bunch of cool questions you can create, just simple questions. Uh, but we will create a product shelf. First of all, shelf designs. We have different shelf designs, and you can upload your own design if you would like to. I like this one, it's perfect. And you can create as many shelves as you want. I will take just 2 of them. And you can choose number of items per shelf. 3 is good for me. So now we need to place our products on the shelf. So how we do that? We click this to upload file, and I've got this men's shower gels. So not perfect for a girl, but still. Let's choose this one, and you can see how fast and easy it is to just put this item on the shelf. It's 2, then 3, 4, 5, and the last one. And of course, we've got a bunch of cool features here also. Open settings options. We open it and we see keep position. If you would like to know whether your product, this particular position on the shelf, uh, actually uh, gives your product more views, this will really help you to put it on the right shelf. So you can choose keep position for one of the products, and you can choose stick to previous. For example, if you would like to see whether one product close to another product looks better. So we've got these options for all of our products. And after that, you can choose media display time. Let's see, let it be like 15 seconds. The limitation is up to 15 minutes, but for usual product shelf, it's not really necessary to have a long period. So, e.g., we have this technologies you would like to use. For example, EEG, but I'm not a fan of this technology for static images. This one works much better for videos and especially live websites. I would like to choose eye tracking because this feature is really essential in this case, and emotions measurement. So you can add next question and keep creating your survey. I will just go to the next step. By the way, you can preview your pre-created survey and see how your question will look and how your products will look on the shelf. After that, you go to customize design, and you have this cool roadmap over here. So you just need to follow these steps to have the perfect project. After that, we go to customize design section and choose design we would like to use. Or you can customize your own design and choose your layout theme, layout color, and put your logo, background color, background image, etc. I would like to choose this particular design. I like it. Let's apply it and go to collect responses. To use neural marketing technologies, you need to create neural app collector. You can limit responses, or you can set sample size or set quota cells. And after that, you need to start your collector. Start. So what you've got here, you need a NeuralLab application to collect responses. It works with Windows 7, 8, and 10. And after you download this NeuralLab application and run it, you just need to copy this survey code, or you can just send this survey code to your email contact list. I will just copy it and we'll go to our NeuralLab app. So I upload this project and let's run this interview to let you see how will it look live for your respondents. So we are getting devices ready, and now will be a calibration process. We need this calibration process to make sure that your devices work properly and your respondent is paying attention to your test. So I am just following the red dot with my eyes. So that's it, perfect calibration quality. And now I'm just looking at this gels, shower gels. So I can fix my gaze at Adidas Active Start a little bit at the end. So this is it. If you have a lot of questions, your respondent just will go from one to another. And after that, the process will just get, the data will just get synchronized. But what I want to do, synchronization is in process. I will just go to my project and go to process data. And synchronization finished. So we go to NeuralLab shelf and we see that eye tracking calibration is perfect. This is actually my personal result, for NeuralLab shelf. So we see that emotion data integrity is perfect, and we can just play this video to let you see how your visualization will look with one respondent. So I have a lot of different emotions going on. And you can see my gaze moving, and at the end, I decided to fix my gaze at Adidas. So you can see that my gaze was fixed here. I have a lot of different emotions, especially a lot of delight, a little bit of neutral, and so basically this is it, a little bit of surprise. So we go back to recordings, and here we can edit areas of interest for our shelf. It's really easy to create one and, for example, name it Adidas. And let's create it. You just need to put 4 dots or like that. And that is it. After that, we can go back to recordings and go to Analyze Reports section. Here we create new report, and you've got all the information for your result and all your results. First, heat map, then gaze plot, the movement of my eyes during this test. Then we've got opacity map, which is vice versa of a heat map. Of course, we don't forget bee swarm video and heat map video. So this is how we do our project